Hi everyone. Did you know that you can get your Aadhaar card printed in a card-based format? Now, I'm not referring to the long piece of paper that the government issues when you actually get your Aadhaar. You can get it in a card-based format like this for just rupees 50 from the Government of India. Now, this is like a utility card, like one of your credit cards, and it comes with several safety features like you have a hologram here, you have your Aadhaar number, you have a QR code, and you have so many other features here, a better photograph that doesn't make you look like a terrorist, etc. Now, the best part is it only costs rupees 50 and it'll get dispatched through speed post. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It is very simple. You can do this in under 5 minutes. So let's see this.
First, open your web browser and do a Google search for Print Aadhaar and select the first link from UIDAI. Scroll down the page and click on Order Aadhaar PVC card. Enter your Aadhaar number, the CAPTCHA, and click on My mobile number is not registered. Even if it is registered, click on this option, enter the mobile number and OTP, and accept the terms and conditions, which is essentially you giving the consent for printing the card, agreeing to pay rupees 50 and delivery by speed post. Click on Submit. Click on the checkbox and make the payment. You can make the payment of rupees 50 by various methods. I prefer Google Pay as it is easy and fast. Enter the UPI ID and verify. Check your phone for the payment request from Google Pay from UIDAI and make the payment. You can download the acknowledgement slip for record. And that's all. Sit back and relax. UIDAI will hand over the printed card to the Department of Post within 5 days. You'll also get the AWB number. You should get your Aadhaar card within 2 to 3 weeks' time. That'll be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and take care.